Kali Linux installation step failed. Guys, you try to install the Kali Linux operating system, but in software installation you can face an error and installation step failed. You can try to run the failing item again from menu or skip it and choose something else. The failing step is select and install software. So watch the video tutorial and I guide you guys how you can exactly fix the error and install Kali Linux. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So now without wasting any time, let's start the video. No matter you are using or trying to install Kali Linux from virtual machine, dual boot or simple Kali Linux installation, too many software installation in first time installation cause error or cause issue. You can uncheck everything, cut the virtual machine, restart the computer and try to again install Kali Linux, and come on, just simply this option, software selection. So if you uncheck everything and check desktop environment and XFCE, just check these two and click on continue. Kali Linux installation, click on continue, and now you can see here I don't face any issue because many software installation first time cause issue. Simply I click on the yes and continue, install the Jira bootloader. So click on this, click on continue. Now simply my Kali Linux is successful install without any installation error or without any installation issue. In chance if you face any other issue in Kali Linux installation, just comment me, like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now thanks for watching.